Hello guys, today I will create this logo in CorelDraw. There is in simple. Okay, create this circle. Okay, center this. In another, create line like this. Okay, convert to curve. Okay, like this. Fill this. Another line. Double click, convert to curve. Okay, curve this line again. Select this blue like this. Fill this to shape. Okay, select all and delete this. Okay, perfect. Okay. Okay, color this. Sorry. Perfect. Double click, change this color into green. Okay, again color this green. Okay, apply into this color. Okay, perfect. Okay, select all, copy this. Okay, like this. Okay, select all in group, Ctrl G, group this. Scale. Okay, double click and create rectangle and color this like this for background. Okay, type the text, your company text here. Change this font like this. Okay, perfect. Center in the logo. Okay, create another circle for shadow. Go to Gaussian blur 31%. Okay, like this. Okay, thanks. Subscribe and like and